In this video, we are going to show how to modify the density of a design directly on the Happy panel. For this example, we are using the HappyJapan logo, which has the following dimensions. So we can see that we have an area where we can make our design bigger. Let's take advantage of that space. I'll go to this button in the lower right corner. Then I go to Setting, and in this section where you see an X and a Y, we can modify the density by percentage. In this case, since we want it bigger, I'm going to enlarge it by 10%. What do we recommend? Since we are making our design bigger, the panel is not capable of rendering the stitches of the design. Therefore, if the design has, for example, 5,000 stitches and you make it bigger, it will still remain with the same stitch count. On the contrary, if you make it smaller, it will be smaller, but with the stitches stacked together. There will be no change in density. Let's set it to 110. I click Set on the X so that it grows in width, and I also have to set the same percentage amount on Y so that it also grows in height. I return to the home page, and now we can see the new size. We can see that it grew in height, and we can see here on our hoop that it is now even larger. In our simulation, we can see that we could still make it bigger, but again, it is not recommended to go over 10%. Okay, let's go back. Now we are going to do the opposite. Let's make it smaller. I'm going to go here again where the X is. We are going to set it now to 90 and press Set. And we set Y to 90 as well. I go to Home, and now we can see the new size. And I can even use a smaller hoop without any problem. My design will fit there.